What up, guys? It's Paulina
and Victoria.
So today we decided to do a DIY challenge.
It looks like there's toilet paper in the back. It's not toilet paper. That's what I meant. She always goes up to this beautiful little baby right here.
I'm sorry, I
pulls
just love
her whole face back. She's like, oh my god, I love you. My god, I love you.
My god, I love you.
So basically, we pick out a topic, then we have 5 minutes to grab 5 items
To make a craft based on a topic.
and we're not allowed to talk to each other during the whole time we're searching for items. Essential items such as scissors and glue and pens and pencils don't count towards our 5 items. And then we have 25 minutes to do our craft.
Yeah.
And then we get to see whose craft is the best, and we are going to get our mom to judge because there's nobody else to. Mixing it up and you're gonna pick one.
I'm gonna pick one?
Yeah.
Donut. I thought it said Dora. I was like, are you kidding me?
So I'm going to sew a donut plushie. So I'm going to need to find some felt, some fabric, some needles.
So I don't have any ideas because that's the topic that I was least hoping for. So I'm not really good at crafts. So I'm thinking I'll do what I am good at, which is paintings. I'm thinking a watercolor donut with probably monarch butterflies on it because I'm really not good at painting any other butterflies, but I still want to put some butterflies in painting because then it'll just be a donut painting and that's kind of boring. It's not a good idea, but you know, I'm thinking that the execution will be good, so it'll be half decent.
Okay, so we picked our 5 items.
So, first we got this Payne's Gray acrylic paint. Some watercolors. I'm only going to be using one color. And then 2 paintbrushes and a piece of paper.
Also, for my 5 items, I got a pack of needles. Then I got 2 different pieces of felt. Got a pack of colorful floss. And then I got polyfill.
We have a timer on for 25 minutes. That was cringy.
Ready, set, go. Can't open it. You already messed up?
Yeah.
Can't relate.
I don't like stress. This is actually really probably unsanitary.
What?
Having a bunch of butterflies on your sandwich. Don't they carry diseases? Sandwich?
Yeah, I was thinking. Butterflies? I don't know. Everything carries a disease.
Especially me. Don't got time. I don't think the competitors are supposed to talk to each other.
Yeah, we can talk to each other. What am I supposed to do?
I'm
what am I supposed to
be
do
like
in
Ross.
25 minutes?
I'm Ross. You know when Ross and Chandler were playing Bamboozled?
I'm sorry, I don't believe contestants are allowed to talk to each other.
This is so bad. Mom would cry right now.
We've only been doing this for 7 minutes.
Look at this.
Oh, Jesus.
Okay, now that my horrible stitch job is finished, I'm gonna turn it inside out.
I'm laying down a base color of this brown.
Oof. Oh god, I don't want to start from the beginning. Oh wait, no, I know how to fix it.
It's all Gucci, dude. I have a new way of measuring things and how awesome they are on a scale of absolute Gucci, which is like 10, and Louis Vuitton, which is 1. Because obviously,
I love Louis Vuitton.
I know, but if it's Gucci, then the exact opposite thing of Gucci is Louis Vuitton.
The exact opposite of Gucci is Walmart.
Oh, I guess. Okay, Gucci to Walmart. Yeah, that makes more sense, I guess. Why not? We'll go with your idea for once.
Well, Louis Vuitton is a designer brand name like Gucci is.
I don't
And
care.
I like Louis Vuitton better. I own none of it, obviously.
So the thing about living in Canada, pretty good because the people are a lot nicer, I realize. Even though it's a stereotype, it's so not good for filming videos because it gets dark so fast. This is not turning out good.
This looks like a sausage.
This is that does look like no, it's like a baguette. It's been 13 minutes.
Oh my goodness, we have 10 minutes. Stress.
How's it going? Oh god, 15 minutes. By the way, here clouds are everywhere, so right now it's like going from dark to light in seconds. Like really badly.
What do you think is your biggest talent?
Being annoying. This is turning out not good.
This is not contrasting enough. What is that? But you don't get out of the frosting on it.
But it could be an old-fashioned donut.
But it's not, okay?
You know, don't tell my donut what it can or can't be.
You do not know what you can be or cannot be until...
Oh, come on.
So, what's on your mind lately? I'm just trying to keep a conversation going.
Mind? I want to win this thing. My ugly donut, you know, it's coming together.
It looks like a failed, like, scrunchie made out of, like, pigskin or something.
Ew.
Isn't that a nice image?
Okay, well, we're gonna ignore that sign. Let's make
It better.
the icing.
Circle, 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 yee-hoo! So sorry. I feel like I say sorry too much. How are you doing?
Fantastic. Icing.
You have a good idea. I just don't think you have time to do it, you know what I mean? Where are your
Going
marshmallows?
to sew the sprinkles on, and it's going to hold it all together.
I do not know if I'm gonna have enough time to finish this, dude. Yeah, no, I'm definitely not gonna have enough time.
Ow! Poke myself. I got 4 sprinkles on. I think I should have just grabbed fabric glue.
Why did you bring me into this world, says the donut.
I tried. You know, this is not bad.
It looks so handmade. I love stuff that looks handmade, you know what I mean? This is not how I planned for this to turn out. I didn't even use one of my supplies.
Okay, I'm just gonna add my finishing touches.
Okay, I don't think we have a lot of time left, so you know, this is, oh god.
This looks so
Are
bad.
you kidding me?
So after that stressful part of my life,
This is
so ugly.
You should have used fabric glue. That's the.
I can now take away from this and learn.
The edges, it's not that bad. The middle is what ruins it. And those lovely
Look at the sprinkles. There's like 8 sprinkles. Honestly, it could have been worse.
Dude,
Dude, this could be like one of those donut buns. Taurus is really good.
Thank you very much.
We're gonna call our mom to judge the competition. I think it's obvious who's gonna win. So our mom's here to judge our creations. We should save the best for last, so I will go first. She's laughing. Kind of a homey feel to it. I try to go for an aesthetic of an 8-year-old. Out of 10, what would you say this is?
Minus.
Minus 3? Be a minus. Go show.
Oh, 50. Okay, this is like 0.
Okay, this is 0. Now minus 3, I've bumped up to 0.
A for effort, that's what I'm saying. In conclusion,
Victoria wins.
There
Okay, well,
we
thanks
go.
for watching my fail of a video and Victoria's success. See you guys next time. Bye.
bye.
Oh, it looks disgusting, dude. You know, what else is new? Ready? What's up, guys? It's Pepper.
And
Come here. Come here.
yeah.
I just spoke myself.